That's a giant snowball.
Yeah. My name. I don't know how I'm going to get a giant snowball.
Oh, I'm not too sure, Ellis.
Oh!
Good morning. It's snowing.
Okay, it's cold. It's alright. No, to be fair, like, went to work, no snow, came out of work, it was just white everywhere. It was quite beautiful, like. But it's freezing cold today, and I want to be in bed and snuggled because it's cold.
What are we doing instead?
We are going to our church that we belong to go and clear out the car park. Because someone mentioned it.
I have to do.
And I felt guilty. I'm just kidding, I'm joking. It sounds cool to do, to be fair. Shovel snow around. I want to bury you. Why not? You can't use that you're pregnant as an excuse.
No, I was going to say
I'm pretty sure my excuse for you is better because I'll be cold. so guys, so let's confirm this. It is snowing and it's wet and slippy. And who wears shoes that have no grip on them? Yeah, you. We just tried to pull away and her foot slipped and she was like, oh no, the pedal's wet. Like that's the excuse.
It was?
Yeah, what?
Look at his window screen right there.
Kind of broke my eyes. Is that going to clean his window? Oh, going past the Matty D's. I realize how expensive their breakfast were and how good they aren't. They're terrible. Even the hot chocolates aren't nice anymore. But I do want one of them big, is it Big Mac or is it Grand Big Mac? The Grand Big Mac. She's refusing to let me have one.
No, I'm not. You just have to go get one.
I'm tired of it. No.
Complain. Just don't get one.
No, to be fair though, the several times that I have went and tried to get one, what was the answer from the woman? Oh, we don't have any in. Like, how do you not? Like, but they have Big Macs in. I don't understand that. Like, is it the buns that they ran out of or the burgers? Art thou singing? I heard that.
I can't sing.
You can't. Well, I know I can't sing. You can sing, but Ellis refuses to let you sing. Like every time we're singing hymns in church, Ellis will cover Rebecca's mouth and be like, "You don't sing. No, don't sing." I don't know why. But then he went to the hymn book. I like that bit. It's gorgeous, this.
You won't be saying that when we get out.
I know, when I get out and break my neck. Do you remember the last time we did this? I lost my phone. I lost my phone. My phone fell out of my pocket because I was trying to get us from the hill, wasn't I? And then I lost my phone. I was really good. And then I came back.
She's going to fall over.
Don't be mean to that lady.
Look, she's walking like a penguin.
Like a penguin.
Guys, it's snowing. Look. to get my my gloves for me? Nathan, how come you don't do this at home?
I'm not commanded by God to do it at home. That's your job. Does that look better?
Yeah, it does. There's no handprint now.
Oh.
Wow.
Gotta kiss them.
Are you okay?
Yep.
Yep, what are you playing on?
Dude, I killed one Slimer. How cool is that? High five.
Yeah, I think Ghostbusters.
Playing Ghostbusters.
Yeah.
Who's the best at this game?
And kind of like a ghost.
I'm the best at this game.
No, you're not.
I'll be able to
Try to go outside, Bruno. Just look at the door.
He's eating the snow. We'll have some fresh powder for Ellis Boo over there. Oh, he's having a wait.
Yeah. I see. Guys, work is sewing. It's sewing.
It's snowing, guys.
Yeah, it's sewing.
We're off to build a snowman.
Yeah.
Ellis wants to build a snowman, so even though I have got a cold, I'm taking one for the team.
Yeah.
And Ellis really wants to build a snowman, so got my socks. Well, Nathan's socks, because I've got no gloves. I've got no gloves, Ellis.
I'm trying to open it.
Yeah, well, let me take the key in and then it will open, won't it? Look, we've still got our stencils from Christmas.
No, Donald's not carrying out.
Well, Bruno's got to come out with us.
No.
'Cause that's what we have to do to get our snowman, don't we? Right. Ellis, how excited are you?
And I go over snow.
Going out the snow. Are you excited though?
I am.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it.
That's a giant snowball.
Yeah. My name. I don't know how I'll go and make a giant snowball.
Oh, I'm not too sure, Ellis. It's really cold.
Yeah. I need to look giant. Yes.
You need some help.
Giant snowball.
Bruno, don't eat the giant snowball.
Focus the little one.
The little one.
Make a cake snowball. I'll make it a cake snowball.
Okay. You're feeding the snow to Bruno.
No, I don't. I want to make a snowball hide.
Well, make a snowball fight. Making a snowball fight?
I can't.
You can't. Wow, Ellis. Turn it around so I can see you.
Okay. Hi.
Hi.
I'm going on that.
You're going on it backwards.
Yeah, what?
Wow.
I'm going on that.
Whoa.
Oh, and the other one I cook up.
Oh, you want your husband? Whoa, you just got me!
Yeah. I'm going. The hole behind me. That's the sofa. Ah! You did it. Wow. Kisses.
Oh, don't get me with that.
Yes, I can.
Oh.
I'm gonna hurt them.